I have to be the dumbest person. I'm wearing shorts right now. I just got a hoodie on. I'm wearing shorts right now. There's snow in my shoes. I don't have socks on. I'm gonna go to my car. There's literally 6 inches of snow outside. And it's 19 degrees outside. Oh, that car looks totally accessible. Oh my god. My feet are so cold. It's really dark in here, actually, besides those 2 windows. The rest of the windows are just covered in snow, though. There's snow inside my shoes. These were high tops, by the way, and you see how tall they are. They're 4 inches tall, and the snow still went over them, so... And my sunroof looks like... Well, I don't think I can get it open. Alright. That's what the sunroof looks like. Nothing. Let's start the car. This thing starts, I'm going to be so... I don't know. It's going to be amazing. Wow. Ooh. Oh god, it's cold. I'm so dumb. I swear I'm dumb. I have to be dumber than a box of nails. Smello yellow. It's frozen. Solid. Frozen. I'm gonna let the car heat up a little bit. I don't know what the freak that noise is. I think it's the wind. But let's run outside again in the freezing weather. Because I already can't feel my feet, so why not do it a second time, you know? Oh god, it's so cold. I think my keys are inside the car, aren't they? Dear Lord, I'm dumb. The way this car is set up so that you can take your keys out of the car instead of still running and use the remote start on it. Oh, I am so dumb. I don't really have to worry about anybody finding my tracks out here though, because the storm's gonna cover them up. Hey dog. Please work, car. It is so cold. It's so warm in here, though. Shoot. Oh my god. I can't feel my feet. Oh my god, they're like completely numb. My shoes are covered in snow. They got snow inside them. Yeah. I'm dumb. I am dumb, guys. I'm dumb. I'm just gonna go ahead and take care of their shoes, I guess. They're gonna eat the snow and all. Dear Lord. I'll put these next to my fence. I mean, my, never mind. Alright guys, I'm dumb. I'm dumb. First video.